Hey there, I'm Jo and I welcome you to my kitchen and to my delicious recipes. I don't know about your families, but mine loves croquettes, all sorts of croquettes. Let me share you a delicious recipe of croquettes with sesame. For this you need 130 grams of sesame and 150 grams of dates palm paste. You mix these two ingredients. You shape the batter. And you put them in the oven tray. Now you put them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, time's up. Let's get them out of the oven. Put them on a plate. And enjoy them with your family. I have more recipes to share, so subscribe to my channel and we'll keep in touch. Take care, bye!